Hmm.
Yeah, recording is started now. Yeah, so welcome to my channel, Anjana ma'am. And after a long time, I've requested you so many times, and thanks for giving me an opportunity, right? And I just tried so many times. I just sent so many mails.
Okay.
Nowadays, you are too busy. You are having a really uh, good communication skills, and I tried my best to just ask you so many times. And thanks for giving me coming to my channel and just giving some insights on that.
Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you. Yes, I also want to connect with any learner whenever I get messages. But yes, I have too much busy schedule. That's why it's hectic to meet anybody. Yeah. But today
Yeah.
I am getting chance
Uh,
to connect with you, so it's my pleasure also.
yeah. So would you like to just give your introduction to my viewers because we are just
Yeah,
meeting for the first time?
of course, sir. Sure. Okay. So I am Anjana and I am connecting to you from UP, District Farrukhabad. I
Okay.
am originally from
Mm-hmm.
Kanpur and I completed my post graduation in English literature from Kanpur University. And if I talk about my
Wow.
hobbies, so I love teaching, listening to music. Apart from that, I run a YouTube channel. Its name is Anjana's Educational Videos, where I
Mm-hmm.
upload some conversational videos because nowadays I'm learning this language. So whatever I learn and whatever I limited knowledge I have, I just share on my channel. Yeah, that's it, sir.
Okay. So since how long have you been just uploading these videos?
Okay, it's been 1 year, sir. Actually, I started my YouTube channel last year on
Mhm.
14 May 2023. But
Okay.
n- uh, that time I was not fluent in English. I knew very well that how to teach English because I have been teaching for a long time and teaching is my passion, profession both. But I was not fluent in
Okay.
speaking because my mother tongue is Hindi. So I'm surrounded with Hindi environment. I used to speak Hindi. Even I was teaching
Okay.
English as a subject only. I never focused on my speaking English and I never practiced. That's why I was unable to express my thoughts in English. But when I came into YouTube and I started uploading videos, uh, I want to tell you that when I started my YouTube channel, that time I used to upload video, not conversational videos, only solo videos, like how to form sentences, these type of sentences I used to upload. Yeah. But when I came to know that yes, it's very easy to learn this language nowadays because if you want to practice, you can connect with anybody through social media.
Yeah.
Yes, I started working on myself, and when I started speaking my speaking journey last year, so just I stopped uploading solo videos and I started practicing, and those conversation video have been uploading since then. Yeah.
Yes, definitely. So, what is easier for you, right? These solo videos are much easier, or just putting these conversation videos. What do you like the most?
Actually, I love teaching. So
Hmm.
that's why whenever I teach and whenever I share my knowledge, so I feel very comfortable and I love to do that. Like I love to share my knowledge. And even I
Yeah.
love this language. So I love also to interact with anybody and like I'm practicing because I always think that I'm a teacher, so it's my responsibility that I should learn new things. I should update myself. I should upgrade for myself for my students because I believe that whatever new things I will learn, so I would be able to
Yeah.
provide my students. So I love both, but I love teaching the most.
So, are you working in a private school or some government school kind of? What subject do you teach?
Yeah. So, sir, before Corona, like before COVID time, I used to go in a school. It was private school. I'm not a government teacher, but
Okay.
COVID period time, I had some personal issues. That's why I had to quit my job and I started my own coaching
Mhm.
center. Actually, my husband is also a teacher and he is also a private teacher. So we both run our own institute. So I go there and I help my husband in teaching.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, it's a great thing that husband and wife together you're just running an institute and teaching the means yeah, only English spoken you just spoken English you teach, right?
No, sir, not a spoken language. Actually, I am learning this language, so I don't think that I have so much knowledge about spoken English. But I teach academic. Like students come there, 1 to 12th standard.
Okay, 1 to 12 standard.
Yeah,
Okay,
1 to 12th standard students come there, and there are other teachers also for other subjects. So I and my husband teach English, and other teachers teach like physics, chemistry, maths, bio. So there are so many subjects. So all subjects are provided there.
yeah, it's good thing that you are teaching English also and cyber side you are learning also, right? So that you
Hmm.
can benefit yourself and again you can just your students will also get more benefit out of that, isn't it?
Yeah, sir. Yeah, sir. Actually, sir, our mother tongue is Hindi. So when I teach my students, so I have to use Hindi also for making them
Yes,
understand. Like
definitely,
when I teach,
definitely, yeah,
yeah, when I teach lesson text, so I have to make them understand the meaning of that lesson, question answers, and grammar
yes,
I have to teach. Yeah. So spoken
yeah,
English
yeah.
is different and subject is different. You
Yes,
know,
definitely.
yeah, so that's why now I'm working on my speaking skill because whenever I get chance, so I talk to my students in English and I want that they should also learn this language with a subject, like because English is not only a subject, it's a language.
Yeah.
So they should understand the value of this language. Yeah, that's why I'm learning and I want to provide English environment at my coaching center. That's why I'm here.
Yeah, you definitely because you are just teacher that I think that you might be having really good command on grammar, right?
Yeah,
Isn't it?
yeah.
Because I'm not that I don't have any command on grammar, but my spoken English I'm just trying to improve day by day, right? And
Yeah,
when I just talk with people like you, then yeah, little bit more and more I'm just learning new vocabularies, new idioms, new phrases like that.
of course, sir, of course. Even I think that, like when I teach, that time it's very easy for me teaching because when I speak to somebody, so I know whole grammar very well. But when I speak, so I have noticed that I make so many mistakes because when
Yeah,
after talking to somebody, when I listen to my conversation, so that time I realize, oh God, I know it. Still, I have done this mistake. Yeah, it happens with me because
it happens because
we
of
are,
some nervousness, some fear,
yeah,
some hesitation, right? What people will
yes,
say, we just always just keep on thinking, right? It
yes.
happens with me as well. Right now, even I'm also nervous right now. My legs are shaking, right? I'm just talking here, smiling, but yeah, below my legs are just shaking. Yeah, it happens.
No, sir, there is no need of nervousness. And
Yeah,
yes, I know because of nervousness, and sometimes I think the main problem is that we always forget. Still, we know our mistakes and why we forget. I think that, we are not practicing as much
mhm.
as because we have very little time. I know that you are a working personality, and I am also a homemaker as well as I am teaching online, taking offline classes. So I don't get so much time for exploring myself. Yeah. So this may be a reason because I have very limited time, but it's not
Yes,
enough.
definitely.
If you want to really want to get good command over this language, so I think this language needs time. Like spend
Yeah,
as much
definitely.
as time you have. After that,
Yeah,
you can learn. You have good command over this language. And speaking
yeah,
practice really matters a lot. And I
yeah.
don't have so much time. Like at my home, I can't talk in English to anybody because all are Hindi speakers. Yeah,
Okay.
but yeah,
But at
whenever
least
I
you
get
can,
little
you
time,
can speak with your children, right? They might be speaking a little bit of English.
yeah, yes, I speak with my daughter whenever I get little bit time. Otherwise, not every time. Yeah, but whenever I get time, little bit time, so I just send message on Skype group and I connect with anyone. Yeah, this is how I'm learning.
Yeah, even I was not aware of the Skype group. No, I used to just go to every channel and then I used to mail everyone. I just talked with Rahul Doon, right? Then he just told me that there is a group and he
Okay.
just provided me that group. And then I just came to know that yeah, such kind of group exists and it became really easy. Okay. Yeah, otherwise I was really frustrated, initially how to connect with the people because I am really new
Yeah.
to this YouTube
Mhm.
community. right?
But
Yeah,
it's very
you're
good way,
quite
to
seated,
connect with
okay,
anybody.
in this field.
Hmm. But
Yeah.
group is
I
very
couldn't get it. Can you
profitable,
repeat again?
beneficial.
Pardon?
I'm saying that Skype group is really beneficial for all learners. Like we can connect with anyone anytime.
Yes, 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 definitely. Yeah, yeah. There is no time limit, right? We can connect anytime whenever we just have free time, and if other person is also having free time at the
Mhm.
same time, we can just connect, right? Otherwise, it's very difficult, right, to just connect with people and to speak and then upload the video. It becomes
Of
very
course.
difficult.
Yes, yes. Of course, you are saying right. Okay. So when did you join Skype group?
Yesterday only.
Oh, yesterday. Okay. So it's
Yeah.
good for you, and you will see, that like day by day, you will get fluency because there are so many learners, and you can connect with anybody anytime. And as much as you practice, you will definitely get good command over this language. Yeah.
Yes, definitely. That is what my goal is. That every day I want to just make little bit of improvement and
Hello.
yeah, somebody had just called me, and because of that, there was no
Okay.
connection.
No issue. No issue.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, that is my goal. Is that okay, so every day I want to just make little bit of improvement by connecting with more people, and I want to improve my fluency. Let's see how it goes. And I need support from all my viewers and people like you, okay, who are already in this field, right? Who can just guide me, suggest me, okay, how to get more subscribers and how to make more better videos, right?
Yeah. Okay, so subscribers and better videos like YouTube. Like I have been working on YouTube. It's been 1.5 month, and so
Mm-hmm.
I have noticed consistency matters a lot. Like
Yeah,
never skip a single day. Just be
mhm,
consistent because if you are
yeah,
consistent, then people follow you and they love your videos. And be genuine. Don't try to be fake. Yeah, because today's people are so cunning and they are smart. They know everything. So I should think that we should be always honest, and
yeah,
we should be consistent also. Yeah, that is how we can grow. And it's not in our hand. It depends on viewers, that if they like, they support us, so we can definitely grow.
yes, yes,
Because
definitely.
every
And I,
YouTuber is doing their best. Yeah, we always try to best. We always try to do best. Whatever knowledge, experience, and whatever qualities we have. So
mhm,
according to that, we try to give our best. Yeah. Now it depends
yes,
on viewers that they love us
yes,
or
yes, yeah, definitely, and it depends on YouTube algorithm also, right? Yeah,
yes,
yeah,
yes.
yeah. How will it just project our video and like that, right? So it's
Of
not in
course.
our hand also.
That's why I never worried for it, because I have seen many people that they are so worried for their channel. So I never worried for it. Yeah, because I think that it's not in my hand. Whatever
Yeah.
I can do, whatever knowledge I have, just according to that, I am doing my best. And now, like, I don't know what will result I will get.
Mhm.
Yeah.
So has your channel got monetized yet?
Yes, sir. My channel is monetized. I think 2 months ago it was monetized. Yeah.
Okay, good, good. Congratulations for that. And I have one question. Under which category do you just add your videos?
Sir, pardon, please.
Under which category do you just add your videos? Like there is education category, people and blogs like that. So you also add under the
Education.
education category, and there
Only education.
yeah, under education there is called type or something, right? How to or something. So do you select how to or something, anything else?
No, sir. I don't know much about technology of YouTube or something. So I just give name of my channel Anjana Educational Videos, and my motto is
Okay.
only it that related to English. I have to upload videos. Maybe it's solo video or conversation videos. So there should be knowledge related to only English. Yeah, my
Okay.
motto is only it. Yeah.
Okay. So, yeah, definitely. I also want to just make videos on only English related content only.
Hmm. Hmm. Because like your channel's name is and what is your goal. So these things matters a lot. Like if you have opened any educational channel, so you shouldn't
Hmm.
upload in that channel your blog, your personal life, and your any other related video, because YouTube doesn't support, because we
Mhm.
should focus only one parameter. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. We have to just keep on posting same kind of videos related to that
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
particular
Yeah.
topic or something, right? If you are
Yes,
just
yes,
putting
yes.
English speaking videos, they're related to English content, English speaking,
Yeah.
grammar, and this related to same
Yeah,
content. You have
everything
to
English. Yeah, same content. Purpose would be one, not
yes,
others. Like
yes.
if we are
And
going.
even
Hmm.
if you change your category, also there are some issues, right? Yeah,
Hmm.
you
Hmm.
don't get good views or something, right? I'm just also
Yes,
watching
yes.
those kind of videos, right? What is right and what is wrong. So I'm
Hmm.
also learning. I'm new, and do you use any editing software, or just you record and upload the video?
No, sir, I have CapCut for editing. Yeah.
Okay,
So I
okay,
edit first. After that, I upload that video.
okay.
I use
So
CapCut app.
yeah,
Hmm.
so you're just spending more time than me because I'm new and I'm not getting time. And your schedule is also hectic, and still you are doing all those things. Really, a great salute to you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, sir, for your compliment. Because I love all those things. That's why I am able to do. Yeah. Okay,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah.
So I
So
think
we are
we should
we are
wind up
at
the
time.
session.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. Yeah. Just thanks for just giving me an interview. And, thanks for all the answers. Yeah.
Yeah, pleasure
I
is
am.
always mine, sir. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Good night, ma'am.